Chacola Thomas. We are in Bethesda, Maryland. So we bought this home about 4 years ago, and we love this home. It's very open. Part of having that open ability in the house provided less bedrooms upstairs. So we had 3 bedrooms, including the master upstairs. And we have family all the time that visits, and we wanted to have some extra space. So that prompted us to add a bedroom, also another place where we could do some work from home capabilities. FineCraft is one of the firms in the region that is known for that. We also have seen their trucks working around and also received very high reviews of their work. I did the initial, the schematic drawings, and then they had Will Kaywood, who works with them, architects, design the construction documents. I will say that Patrick was really great from the beginning. He came into our home and we met with him, and we discussed that, one, we really wanted to keep the integrity of this home. It's a very custom home. It has very specific materials and colors and just details, and we wanted to make sure that what we added to this home would feel like it always existed. Patrick was very open to that, and that was part of our scope of the work, was to match existing conditions. And so I think it was on FineCraft to really look at this house and develop their proposal based on that. So there was an existing porte cochere off the west side of the home, and it was a flat roof, and we thought that wasn't very well used space, that there could be a room above. It also was on the side of the house where, on the east side of the house is the master side, and so it's kind of more private over there, but on the west side of the house, it just seemed like a perfect place for another room. And so also trying to take into account that a flat roof over time degrades. This was a way to avoid that and to improve the quality of the home. So we looked at, there's also setbacks in Bethesda, right, in any urban and neighborhood, and so we tried to account for what's the best place to add on for the look of the home, for the massing of the home, for the neighborhood, but also for our house and our needs. And it was a perfect place to connect the new room to our house. So the existing hallway had a bathroom, a single sink with a toilet and a bathtub and shower, down to my son's bedroom. And although it was enough and fine, we needed the square footage of that bathroom in order to create a hallway to this new room. So we really had to reconfigure the space for the bathroom to become more elongated and not square. And to enter into the new space so that we would have the distances that we needed for clearance of the hallway and the bathroom itself. Another thing that provided by extending it into the new space was that we were able to get a double vanity, which was really nice because this bathroom is shared. And so now my son and a potential guest or anyone in that room can also use the bathroom as well at the same time. As we were laying out the bedroom plan, some things had to change with the footprint based on the setback from the neighbor's home. And so I thought it might be nice to incorporate, I was always trying to find elements of the existing home so that it would always feel like it was part of the original build. And with that was a very special window, a square window with a detail of a diamond in it, in my daughter's bedroom, but also in the guest house behind the new addition. And so actually when you look out this new window now, you see a mirror of that same window on the guest house, and I just thought that was a really nice detail. So I have really positive things to say about FineCraft. I think they managed the project extremely well. Andre was on site almost every day and was very helpful in making sure that we were happy along with the process. Patrick was initially involved and was very helpful from the proposal and getting the project started. Will, the architect, was also great to work with and was happy to iterate on drawings and ideas. I think that one of the major challenges we had was the sprinklers were left out of the design, and this obviously became an issue in construction. It also became an issue because we're dealing with an exterior space under the porte cochere and an interior space above, which has different requirements and code requirements. FineCraft handled that really well. They actually absorbed some of the cost that was not presented to us in the original proposal. We were very fair about the whole thing, and I think we left that issue on very good terms.